Hello everyone.
Welcome to Ubri One AI channel.
Hello, welcome to today's class. So today we'll be learning how to sign into Chrome browser and also how to add a profile to an existing profile on Chrome browser. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, this training, we'll be using more of Chrome browsers. Yeah, so take note of that. We'll be using more of Chrome browser because of during this training. So if you don't have a Chrome browser, head over to whatever browser you're using or you meet your engineer to help you install Chrome browser, or you head over to your browser, just type Chrome browser, install Chrome browser, you download that, install, and you're good to go. So let's see, how do we add a Chrome browser. Now the first thing you do for you to add a Chrome browser to your for you to add a Chrome profile to your browser, you must have the browser, so you install the browser. Now when you install the browser, you're going to have a shortcut. This is the Chrome logo. Have a shortcut on your system like this. So to sign in first to a Chrome browser, if you're using the browser for the first time, you have to sign in. What do you need to sign in? You need your email and your email password. Mostly we talk about Gmail. Chrome is owned by Google and Gmail is owned by Google. So you will be using Gmail to sign into Chrome. So you click on it twice. You left click on this twice and this will come up. That's sign in. So you ask to sign in. Click on sign in. It's going to ask you for your email or your phone number. Once you put your email and your phone number, it's going to ask you for your password. That's to sign in. So once you put your email here, you click on next, you put your password, and you'll be signed in to the browser. Let's see that. So we're here. Done. Force out. There's no need. I will not add at gmail.com because this is owned by Gmail. That's the same. So no need to add at gmail.com. So the next thing, ask for password. And there you are. You can see. It takes me in. Turn on synchronization. You say yes. Why you turn on synchronization is so that you can be able to see what you do in other system. Everything is synchronized to the system you're using now. So you can see that you're good to go. Set your browser, or set the name you want to appear here. I like this name. Do other settings. Yes. And you click on done and you're good to go. Now, look at anytime you sign in to a browser, a Chrome profile for the first time, the first thing you do, go to the right top corner, click on then scroll down to where you have the setting. See, the setting is very important. Scroll down to where you have the setting here. Then go to the left on the menu, setting menu. Go on startup. Now look at this. Always keep it here on continue where you left off. I'll explain this in the course of the class. Now, why we keep it here is because when we are working, we have like 4 tabs here. We have like 4 tabs here. Anytime we close this browser, when we come back, we are going to have everything as we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, because we left it here, continue where you left off. Now, if I put here, open a new web page or a new tab page here, anytime I close this profile, when I come back, it will open a new tab, just one new tab. Everything you've done is gone. So take note of that. So anytime you sign into your new Chrome profile or you add a new profile, always go to the right top corner, scroll down to settings. It will bring you down here on startup. You put here. So that's how to sign into a Chrome profile. Okay, now the next one is how to add a new Chrome profile. Adding a new Chrome profile is as simple as that. So as the same thing you do, just head over here, open the same way we did. Once you open here, you go down, scroll down to where you can see add Chrome profile. So look at here. So these are my students. These are their profile. I use this to see their progress and one thing or the other, monitor their websites, and also give them guidance where necessary when I see them going wrong. So you click on add. It will bring you back to the same thing where you want to sign in. So it asks you to sign in, put your email and your password, and you're good to go. So that's it. That's how to sign into Chrome profile and as well add a new Chrome profile to an existing profile and also do one or two settings of the Chrome profile. All right, that's the end of this lesson. See you in the next one. Thank you.